Welcome back to another video from the Crypto Market Updates channel. Monero's community wallet has been hacked. Man oh man. Monero's community wallet loses all funds after attacks. This is why everybody keeps telling you don't keep your money on exchanges or in community wallets. I guess the best thing you can do is keep your crypto in a hard wallet or anywhere off community wallets. Man, there have been so many news, so many hacks recently that it's really scary. And when you see stuff like that, I just saw Uniswap basically announcing or advertising its community wallet like right at the heels of this. Monero's community wallet loses all funds after attack. A security breach has resulted in a loss of 2,675 0.73 XMR from Monero's community crowdfunding wallet. The cause and source of the breach remain unidentified. A recent attack compromised Monero's community crowdfunding wallet, wiping out its entire balance of 2,675 Monero, which was worth $460,000. Right now, Monero is $169 per coin. So this is not even its all-time high. This number will change as soon as Monero starts pumping in this bull run again. The incident took place on September 1st, but was only disclosed on GitHub on November 2nd by Monero's developer Luigi. According to him, the source of the breach has not been identified yet. The Monero's community crowdfunding system funds development proposals from its members. This attack is unconscionable as they've taken funds that a contributor might be relying on to pay their rent or buy food. Noted in the thread, Monero's developer Ricardo, Luigi and Spani were the only two people who had access to the wallet seed phrase. According to Luigi's post, the CCS wallet was set up on an Ubuntu system in 2020 alongside a Monero node. To make payments, the community members Luigi used a hot wallet that has been on a Windows 10 Pro desktop since 2017. As needed, the hot wallet was funded by the CCS wallet. On September 1st, however, the CCS wallet was swept in 9 transactions. Monero's core team is calling for the general fund to cover its current liabilities. It's entirely possible that it's related to the ongoing attacks that we've seen since April, as they include a variety of compromised keys, including Bitcoin wallets, DATs, seeds generated with all manner of hardware and software, Ethereum pre-sale wallets, and include XMR that's been swept. Spani noted in the thread. According to another developer, the breach could have originated from the wallet keys being available online on the Ubuntu server. I wouldn't be surprised if Luigi's Windows machine was already part of some undetected botnet and its operators performed this attack via SSH session details on the machine by either stealing the SSH key or live using Trojan's remote desktop control capability while the victim was unaware. Compromised developers' Windows machines resulting into big corporate breaches is not something uncommon. This is shocking. These hacks and that have been happening over the past, I don't know, 2 years, they're not. I find it odd that this happened and infuriating. I mean, it's not a massive amount, but it was a big amount, I guess, for the community of Monero community. And so again, this poses a question whether community wallets, like, you know, for decentralized voting and things like that, if they're actually a good idea. I was talking to someone who made a suggestion that there should be an option made available on the Meow coin for people to delegate or to stake their Meow coins and create nodes in order to have people be able to vote on proposals and stuff. But that would mean that there would be a community wallet, and this is the threat of community wallets, and whatever caused this hack to occur, poses threat to all community wallets, and begs the question of whether these things are safe. I mean, Monero, the privacy coin, got hacked. I don't think I've ever heard of a hack done on Monero, so this is kind of, it's one thing to have Luna crash and be whatever drained, FTX, because these were new projects, but Monero has been around for a long time, and to see this happen is kind of daunting. But wherever the case may be, hopefully, I'm sure there's going to be more news coming out, and hopefully they can recover these funds, or at least part of them, and we'll see how that goes. Let's keep our eyes open and keep scooping up the news as they come up. Make sure to smash up the likes on this quick video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.